Okay, so this is a demonstration of my website's backend. As you can see, I'm using VS Code, and this is written in Python. So let me just go ahead and show you the code before I actually get it working. So this block of code is my get customers function. This gets all customers from the database. As you can see, there's the user information, the user name, and the password for the actual database, which I will show later. And you have the host information right there. You have the database name. Now, as you can see, this is in the order. The customer details are in the order of ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score, profession, work experience, and family size. Now, if for some reason there's an error in getting all customer information, an appropriate error message will be returned. As you can see, an error has occurred. And that's pretty much the same structure with my other blocks of codes, my other functions. So this block right here gets a particular customer based on the ID. Scrolling down, this block right here gets a, this adds a customer to the database. As you can see, add customer in the post function. So this adds a customer into the database in the same format as getting customers, the ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score, profession, work experience, and family size. Scrolling down, I have another function, update profession. So by the customer ID, so updates whatever profession the customer has to updates the profession, whatever the profession is based on the ID that you enter. And this function gets the highest income report. This one gets the total income by profession, and this gets the average work experience. This one gets the average spending score by profession, and that's my main function right there. So the data, it's a lot of data. I decided to use over 2,000 customers and their details. So what I had to do was create a Python script to actually get this data from the CSV file. As you can see, customer CSV, and it's pretty much in the same order: customer ID, fields, gender, and so on. The indexes are there to show the order in which I want this information inserted. Okay, and this would be the actually generated data. It's a whole lot of data, which is the reason for the Python script. So just go all the way to the top. As you can see, the SQL file, we create table customers with customer ID, gender, age, annual income, and so on in the same order. Now let me just go to my database with the actual data. Let's get this database, let's get this server running, that is, so we can actually connect to the server. So run, generating the table. Okay, this is taking some time. Alright, and there we have it, a table with over 2,000 customers and their data, and the server is up and running. Alright, so now let's run our API or app.py. Let's just run it. Okay. Alright, now we should be connected to our database. It provides a link we can actually just copy and paste in our web browser. Let me just go ahead and copy this. Let's go to Chrome. All right. Okay, let's just do this so we can see what's happening. Gotten an error, not found. All right, let's see what's happening. We'll see. All right, so let's run this again because we got an error on the first run. All right, let's copy. Well, so we got a not found error. Let's just test a few things to see if we can actually connect. Now let's edit the actual link in the browser and put the slash connected. Let me just slash c connect. Alright, as you can see, I get 200, which usually is a code, the flag for all is okay or all is good. Alright, now let's try getting all customers using slash customers. So back to the link. As you can see, all customer data right here. Great, so it's working perfectly fine. So that would pretty much be the same for all my other blocks of codes. Customer based on the ID. You just type it at the end of the URL. Now I'll be creating a website front end for clients, that is, or rather for more user-friendly experience. But yes, my website backend works perfectly with the actual database, and this is the end of my demonstration.